Hello, welcome to 5th grade midterm drill. My name is Mrs. Loveland. If this is your first time watching this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So today we'll be looking at two different sounds. The first sound is or. Everybody say that. The short sound or. The sound or can be seen in words like pot, stop, want, wash. Very good. Very. Example, we ask you to transcribe the word pot. The first thing you do is to write down your slash. The letter P says the sound P, and the letter O says the sound O. Very good. Then T there says the sound T. What do you do at the end? You write down your slash. So we always have a beginning slash and an ending slash in your transcriptions. The next word we're going to be transcribing now is wash. What's the first thing we do? Write down your slash. Very good. Then W says the sound W. Then A here says the sound O. Then SH says the sound sh. Then what you do at the end? You write down your slash. Very good. So you can see here that O says O, and sometimes A says O. Now let's pronounce the words again. We have very good. Now don't forget, when transcribing words, don't transcribe your words using capital letters. Alright, now let's move on to the next topic for today. Our next sound for today is oh. Everybody, let's say it together. Oh, very good. Now the O sound is a long sound. Why is it a long sound? Because it has two dots beside it. Now this two dots has a name. What do we call it? Length marker. Now the O sound has different spelling patterns, but today we'll be looking at two letters. The first letter is OR. The next letter is AW. Say it again. AW. Good. Now let's take some words with these sounds. The first word is sword. Let's say it together. Sword. Very good. The next word is cork. Let's say it again. Cork. Very good. Now let's move on to AW. Now AW also says the sound or in words. Example of words that has this sound is jaw. Let's just say it together. Jaw. Very good. Another word is law. Let's transcribe some words together. Now look at this word corn. Let's pronounce it again. Corn. How do we transcribe this word? The first thing we do is to write down your slash. Then the letter C here says the sound K. And how do you write that? K. Good. Then OR here says the sound O. Very good. The letter N says the sound Then at the end, what do? You put down your slash. A beginning slash and an ending slash. Good. Let's take another example. The word lore. What's the first thing you do when transcribing the words lore? Firstly, you pull down your slash. The letter L here says the sound L. Then AW says the sound OR. Very good. Then what do you do at the end? You close your slash. Brilliant. Now, your hum drill. Transcribe the following words with the sound O and the sound O. Cheerio!